Imagine a single event, erasing dominant life forms instantly. Earth's history hides a devastating secret, shaping our world. 66 million years ago, a cosmic intruder struck Earth. This wasn't just any impact, it changed everything forever. We're exploring the Chicxulub impactor, a true planetary catastrophe. Its legacy transformed landscapes and redirected evolution's path. Prepare to uncover the power of celestial collisions. See how one event carved a new chapter for life. A massive asteroid, 10 kilometers wide, hurtled through space. It slammed into what is now Mexico's Yucatán Peninsula. The energy released surpassed billions of atomic bombs. This cataclysmic strike created the colossal Chicxulub crater, now mostly submerged. It's 180 kilometers across. The impact vaporized rock, sending debris skyward. This vaporized material formed a superheated plasma plume. A monstrous tsunami, thousands of feet high, surged globally. It devastated coastlines, reaching far inland across continents. Intense heat from atmospheric reentry ignited global wildfires. Ash and soot darkened skies, blocking sunlight for years. This impact winter plunged Earth into freezing darkness. Photosynthesis ceased, collapsing food chains worldwide.
This single impact triggered the KPG extinction event.
It wiped out 75% of all plant and animal species. PG non-extinction event avian dinosaurs, dominant for millions of years, vanished. Small mammals and birds survived, finding new ecological niches. The Earth's biosphere underwent a dramatic permanent shift. This mass extinction paved the way for mammal dominance. Scientists found a distinct iridium layer across Earth. This rare element is common in asteroids, proving impact origin. Geologists discovered shocked quartz and tektites globally. These vulnerability minerals form under immense pressure and heat. Signatures confirm the ancient drill catastrophe cores from the Yucatán revealed the buried crater structure. Signatures confirm the ancient drill catastrophe. These asteroid impacts are rare but potentially catastrophic threats. Scientists continually monitor near-Earth objects for safety. Understanding past impacts helps prepare for future risks. Humanity learns vital lessons from Earth's violent history. These ancient scars shape our planet's destiny. The Chicxulub impact was a pivotal moment for Earth. It dramatically reshaped landscapes, life, and evolutionary paths. This event highlights nature's immense destructive power. It underscores the fragility and resilience of our planet. We must appreciate Earth's dynamic geological journey. If you enjoyed this, hit subscribe for more deep dives.